Surround yourself with people who are really smart that you can learn from. Being coachable is really one of the most important things because there's definitely no one who comes to this planet with all the answers. My name is Moj. I'm the CEO of Beautycon. Beautycon is a media and products brand. I think the most important thing you can do when you're coming into a new business is to first lean into listening. You are going to make a lot of mistakes in the process, so getting good with failure is also a really key element there. No one's ever going to remember all the things that you tried and failed. They're going to only remember those big wins. You have to create a culture around you that allows for mistakes. And I think as long as you're actively learning and listening, you have a chance to accomplish the things that you're trying to accomplish. You can get so far in your life by having the right level of mentorship and sponsorship. But you can't show up to a mentor and be like, okay, so teach me, Start with, hey, I'm really inspired because you did this thing and I read about it and inspired this, and the things that you've done are inspiring to me because of this reason. And be good at sending thank you cards and be good at sending thank you emails. A handwritten note is oddly still the most potent form of flattery. Little things go a really long way. Your time is the most important thing that you have to share. The future is yours, make it.